Hey, what's up? Jack's Valeting and Detailing Services. Today we're cleaning my 1999 Nissan Micra K11, and yeah, I haven't cleaned this car in a very long time. The sealant's held up well because it actually looks like it has only been cleaned 3 or 2 weeks ago, but I haven't actually cleaned it in like a month or 2 months, and it's actually quite embarrassing to actually admit that, being a valeter. And I'm always known for having a clean car. But today we're finally cleaning it. I just haven't had a lot of time to clean it really, but I really wanted to clean it and get this video out there. We're not going in like massive with the wheels because it's my own car and I just want to get this video out there. So yeah, and here I am snow foaming it with Infinity Wax Snow Foam. Detailing brush to get all the nooks and crannies while the snow foam is dwelling, so it can work its best, and then I'm going to rinse it off. Now the final step to washing a car is drying it with a microfiber towel. These are the end results, which were definitely very worth it. It's very shiny, and if you want to see more videos on this Micra, then please make sure to subscribe to my other channel, which I'll link in the description. My name's Jack's Valeting and Detailing Services, and I'm out.